2023 Jeep Gladiator V6. This is what it sounds like before. Very quiet. Can't even hear it run. It's running. From far away, you don't even hear it. Look. Here's sound decibels. Let it idle. Can't even hear it. You hear the cars passing by, so it's like it's 68, 67. Wow. Again. And after revving it, it's about 80. 2023 Jeep Gladiator V6 3.6 liter. It's beautiful. It's mint. Big wheels. Just looks good. I like it. Got a nice stance to it. Anyways, what we got done on it. Converter up there. Then it's got the Jeep loop there. Then it wires into a single. Then usually has a resonator there. We took it off and put a Dynomax race bullet, 252222, I think is the part number on it. 2.5-inch pipe continues, and usually a muffler goes right here. We took it off and just ran 2.5-inch all the way into the tailpipe. Continued his 2.5. Tailpipe that comes factory on that, right there. There was another baby resonator there. We cut it off and installed a sexy Natami purple tip, dual tip out the back. Just to accent it, something different. I like it. You guys like it? Let me know in the comments what you guys think. There it is right there. But here's the muffler that was on it. There's the baby resonator that was on it. That's from the other truck. The other resonator that was on it right there. And if you know us, we always like to kick our old mufflers away. Nasty. They make cars quiet. We don't like them, right? We don't like anything quiet.
We don't like them.
No. So that looks a lot better. There it is. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to start it. It's clean, it's not raspy.
Exactly. Oh, you guys did a good job, man. That's awesome.
That's perfect. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. 102. Look at that side look. That's clean. I like it. Let it idle. Yeah, that's clean. I like it. It's a perfect tone.
That sounds clean.
Rev it. It's got a rev limiter on it, so you can't barely rev it up. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, just be careful. The muffler's behind you. I don't want you to trip on them. The skeletons, we call them.
Oh, yeah.
What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. These are a little bit farther away. I love the wheels and tires on it. It makes it beefy. I've always liked these trucks. They're different. Let you guys hear it on the inside.